Hey, David Powers here, and guess what we're doing? We're doing another unboxing. And so here with all my goblins. There they are, there they are. And this time we're going to do an Aunt Honey unboxing. My sister is one of the most morbid people I know. She even went to mortuary school so she could get a degree in morbidity. And she actually really did. She got a degree from a mortuary school. So if you die, she can take care of you. But Halloween is her favorite season. And her other favorite season is after Halloween, when the stuff goes on sale and she starts getting ready for next Halloween. Her two favorite seasons. And so she sent us a box. And I thought you might enjoy an unboxing, a little unlike some of her others. But first, I want to show you some of the cool stuff she used to decorate the box. Look at there, the joy of cooking, people. And then we've got a little Silence of the Lambs. And you see she addressed it to the Powers, Ghosts and Goblins. And it's from Spooky Honey Tyler. And look here, this is actually her logo. This is her business, Pushing Up Daisies. And she goes to festivals and stuff and does creepy things at festivals. We've got a little Exorcist sticker there. Over here, something patriotic. All men are cremated equal. And look, you'll notice that she marked out some of the stuff on the box because it's a used box. Because if you ever meet up with her the last time that she used a box and reshipped it to somebody, it actually went back to my mom's house, whose address was still on the bottom of the box. And so ask her about this sometime. All right, though, let's get on with the unboxing. All right, here's the box. All right, so we've got a Halloween card. Ooh, Barfy. That's funny. Look at that. And so, she made us a Sorry We're Dead sign to hang on the door in case we're gone. And she gave us some of these. We love playing with these, don't we, Sherlock? And look, we've got for every one of the kids. There's my wife. Oh, look. I can see which one my sister made for me. Everybody else has a normal name, and mine says Stupid Brother. All right, let's see what's in the bags. Oh, and look, in the bottom of the box, my sister is purging her DVDs and sent me some of her DVDs. Cool. We'll see what's in there later. All right, guys, let's see what's in the bags. Tear them open. Tear them open. And then share with me.
No.
What all you got, man? Candies? Dude, you got DVDs? You got a DVD too? What's your DVD? Was that G-Force?
I got one.
Super Hamsters? Nice. This is the coolest Halloween box ever. What? Oh, I can't wait to see what's in mine. What'd you get? Oh, Black Beauty. Wow. And popcorn? Beware things that go pop in the night. That's funny.
I need someone to help me with this.
Ooh, cool. That's to slap people with. Oh, and here's my bag. Look at this. My sister sent me a kids movie.